We have Lorry 1, and this model, its exterior condition, it's good, really good actually. Now we have a problem here. It's missing the battery terminal, and I can see there is some corrosion on this motor. So we're going to do an attempt to fix and repair. Oh, there's one screw here that needs to be removed. We're going to try to attempt and fix, and I think that motor is completely destroyed. Oh, look at that. I think that's a factory problem. But here is the motor. No, definitely we need a replacement and a new battery terminal. I'm going to start by removing this motor. So thinking about this, I wanted to put a battery terminal, custom battery terminal. Actually, I just bent it a little bit, but I found this vertical bus, and it's missing good battery contacts, good battery terminals. It's missing the motor and the cogs, so we can use this tab and just swap it, and it's a perfect fit. See, I was thinking how is this possible that it could work? Its wires are snapped right there. I did not want to open this up, but we need the complete wire soldering this switch. Alright, next is gotta swap this cog to this brand new motor. So the problem with this cog is it's really hard to find, and we don't have a spare part for this one. I hope it's not noisy when we put it back all together. I don't know if this motor is 30,000 RPM, and it's possible that this is going to be a really fast, maybe, I'm not sure. Stepney needs a little bit of, maybe we can replace the decals, maybe, I'm not sure yet. And there is another problem with Stepney, has a battery corrosion, and let's see if we can fix that part. So we're going to replace that battery terminal for this one. Good thing the motor is okay. Sounds and runs very smooth. Next we have the decals. So we have Caitlin, we got it the other day in the mail, and look at that corrosion. So we need to replace this battery terminal, and probably it's gonna need another battery terminal. But look, these wheels, they were kind of stuck. Inside looks okay. Look at this. But let me tell you, this needs a spare part. I'm not gonna be able to. I mean, we're just gonna swap the pieces. We get the spare part, and this needs some cleaning. Is this cracked? No, it's not. This one is tight. Oh, we might have a problem. See that corrosion? Let's inspect that. All these parts need a proper wash. See that it does have a lot of greenish battery corrosion inside the motor. So we have a donor here, spare part. This one is good. And let's compare these ones. Definitely really bad. So we have a fresh one here. This is not bad, but it does have a little bit of battery corrosion. We have a good one here. Try not to burn my finger. If you're trying to do this, be very careful. Next is battery terminal. That looks perfect. Listen to that motor. That sounds really good. And we're done with Caitlin. Sounds really good actually.